why I don't want to move to the new place.
What a bunch of fucks we are. We're just on camera tape.
Oh, we all are?
Okay, well, two douchebags are. Run, chubby, chub, chub, chub. You know how fucked we are if they start shooting? We're gonna get hit by stray bullets.
Fuck yeah.
I love it. I'm out for the carnage. No?
You're just like waiting for it. Fucking fence.
Well, why do they got like the fire department down
Haven't heard any shots fired yet, have you?
No.
No.
You would hear him.
Somebody in the shed over there.
there? No, they got guns out and on them. They fucking breaking this house.
No way.
This isn't even South Bend, man. This isn't my neighborhood. Feels like it though.
Hey PJ, how we doing? I have no idea what's going on. We're all out in the warehouse looking. They got guns drawn, assault rifles, and everything.
Damn. I gotta get this too.
This is the world's come to is.
Holy shit, yeah, they are. I keep seeing more pull up, and we got people
I hope
turning
so.
around in our parking lot.
Those are cops. That's a cop.
Oh,
He's gonna
geez.
come confiscate our video.
No. Look at
Look at this guy.
Yeah,
We're gonna
they
get
got-
shot.
they're
Oh, he's
right
going
across
after
the
it.
street from us. They had about 20 guys out with guns walking around this house right now. Yeah, not even kidding. Yeah, no
They got
kidding,
cops
right?
everywhere. Look at that, man.
All right,
We start hearing
okay.
shooting. I'm getting behind the wall.
Ever hear this motherfucker chewing? Hope I got you chewing on camera.
Donkey Supplies, this is Ryan. Hey, Trent.
Yeah.
Did he say our company name?
Not entirely sure. We're kind of all sitting on the warehouse checking it out right now.
You can come from the back way.
They probably left. They're not even there.
Yeah, it's the house like almost directly across the street from us. They got about 20 vehicles out down here now, and more coming, it sounds like. And
This is the guy that was chewing in
a bunch
our
of guys
ear.
out with their guns drawn.
This
walking around
motherfucker,
the
he was
house
like-
and everything, so not really sure.
That was terrible.
But if you're trying to if you're trying to get to us, you can come down to Indiana around the backside of Franklin and get to us.
Remember that one incident when that guy was
Well,
bomber?
not
Yeah.
sure which way you're coming from, but
You figure they'd tell us to like do something.
you're down by like Long John Silver's. If
They
you
just break a
go-
window?
If you go north to the next stoplight, that's Indiana.
shoot some
And then you can take Indiana all the way down to Franklin and then turn right at that light, and then we'll be right here on your left-hand side. Yeah, if you just want, I mean, like I said, I don't know how you'll get to us from the other side because it looks like we got most of it blocked off by now. But
It's blocked off down there too.
oh, never mind. Sounds like they're blocking off the Indiana down there too. Yeah. Holy jeez, we got a bunch of cars in our park.
Should I go see if they need help?
Over to us. Holy jeez. And there's more driving up now still.
I think I'm gonna go over there and see how they're doing.
Good lord.
Oh, he's
They got
looking right at me.
craziness going on,
He
so-
looked right at me.
Yeah.
Hey, go over there and check it out, will you?
I'm gonna go.
Oh, okay. All right. Sounds good.
This guy. They're all like, I've been waiting for this shit.
We're hiding behind a
This is my time to shine. Oh shit.
All right. Well, take care, Trent. All right. Bye.
It's a go, boys.
Mr. Good old.
There's nobody there though. They're on the
Hope there's a dog.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Oh, he's like, dog's like, I got it.
Let me bite somebody.
Let me go get him.
Sick balls.
Can I go get him?
Sick balls.
Wasn't the meat
Still
still
pack of gum at Walmart. That was it. That's what happens now. It's a federal case.
That's what he gets.
Dog's like, let me go get him. I got it.
They got guys in the back over there too.
That's why you gotta outrun him.
Yeah. You gotta outrun them.
You can't stop.
No, never stop. I always say that.
Hey, even when you feel like you're gonna stop, you just keep going.
You gotta keep going.
I always stop.
Keep
That's
pushing
what I
through.
say. Always stop.
This is what happens when you stop.
Yep.
What was going on?
This is when you stop.
I came out and these guys over here next door.
They don't know what's going on. They don't know what's up. They're at the wrong house altogether.
Let's see. I'm gonna count the cars. You got. Yeah.
Plus you got some off to your left.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're on camera, boys. Make it look good.
I can find out what's going on.
15 cop cars.
Yeah, what's going on, Mike? You got a scanner?
You got a scanner. I got one too.
Yeah.
I got it hooked up. Yeah.
Actually, it's pretty quiet.
That guy there he's ready to shoot, man.
They're all ready to shoot.
It must be a violent criminal.
Must be black.
Easy.
It's Caucasian. Man.
Easy.
These guys are videoing over here too.
They're not working. I'm calling my chief of police.
Are you? Oh, that's right. You got connections. I
I wonder why all these people are still sitting here. They could literally turn.
Because they're
around.
blocking the road. They can't get through.
They can go back out that way.
They
Well, if they were
are.
smart, they'd turn around.
That's what I'm saying. They just go back that
They
way.
want to
and go
see
around
what the
there.
action is and get
Well,
shot.
go out there and start directing traffic, man. Don't be telling me all your great ideas. You're wasting them on me, boy.
They're going in the back now.
Yeah.
The guy ran off.
Then knock
You
it
know
off.
what? Shoot a
You could have broke my
shoot a smoke
$2
bomb
phone.
in the window.
Yeah.
That's how they do in the TV, man. Come on.
In the house.
They went in the back. They just went around the back.
You realize that in movies they have unlimited resources and don't give a shit about anything.
Man.
This isn't a movie?
No.
Well,
Well,
I'm
I can't
recording.
If you're recording. Well, no, but now it's just a recording. You got to make it a movie first.
No.
Mine
He's
is.
getting the dog ready. I think.
Yeah, he's getting a dog.
Yeah.
What do you mean he's getting the dog ready? Is that rocket?
Well, I can't sit here all day. You guys better start. Should we start heckling them?
I'm getting bored. Hey,
Take some snapshots.
Get going, motherfuckers.
hey, pussies, you won't fucking shoot.
See this every day.
I watched Chips, man. I've seen it before.
Locomotive Kurt just come walking in. What you?
This is Ryan. Hey, how's it going? You looking for Mike? Let me put you on hold like a show or two.
What? Is this a Mexican standoff?
Hey, Chris, it's Mike.
Hey, how come they ain't got the
Mhm.
megaphone out saying, come on out with your hands
No,
up?
not yet.
I don't get that.
Not yet.
I'm still masturbating.
Yeah, I'm not done.
You guys are so sophomoric.
Yeah, man, I was laying out in my truck taking a nap. I woke up and I'm like, what the fuck is going on out here?
So like cops start pulling up and
I
they're
thought I
like, oh,
fucked
they
up
got
or
ARs or
something,
some
man.
shit, and then next thing you know, like 20 fucking cop cars and ambulances and everything else.
Hey, call the newspaper or the TV people. They don't know this is going on. They need reporters out here.
Oh, fuck that.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
car robbery.
I'm the press. I'm the press. Worry about me.
Hey, we got the reporter out
I got this
So
one.
they must have known someone was gonna get shot at or shot something because they brought an ambulance already. It was like one of the first vehicles.
Well, somebody might already be injured or some shit. Or
Or somebody's gonna go to the dog. Somebody's gonna get hit. Dog going, yep. Nope, whoop, whoop, whoop.
Where?
Dog's going.
Oh,
He didn't let go of the dog. He still got it.
Well, I know, but the dog, they're going now.
he's
I
up.
bet what they're gonna do, they're probably gonna kick the back door down and send the dog in the house.
Remember I was telling you a lot of fishy stuff going on with that house over there?
Mike, we've been saying that for 3 years.
And they would like bring stuff into that other building and back in there.
Just hiding the septic.
That fucking guy.
Man, this is a real.
You know, if this did go viral, that could be the fart heard around the world, you
I
know.
seen this yesterday.
What happened? What's
Yeah,
the
just when
ending?
you put that on
You guys
Wolfstar.
wake me up.
Here.
Wake me up when it's over. When the gun starts shooting.
Easy. We don't want that to happen.
Hey, the
Of course I do.
dog's in there. He's getting them.
You see him inside the
You
window?
know what it is? It's probably a warrant for his arrest. That's all.
Yeah, right. All this for a warrant?
No.
Yeah, he's a
No.
It's probably just Publishers
He was
Clearinghouse.
for theft, man. Tell you what, you got all these cops, man. Something's going on.
Guys, I got a hunch that something's going on over there.
Genius.
Hey, look at all the taxpayers'
Fucking
money.
Kojak.
Look at all these cars. Why are you parking where they can just get shot? Park them others back there.
Yeah, go out there and tell those motherfuckers.
I mean, you're gonna get your car shot up.
You're one guy, you can't get out of there.
Yeah. Oh, they got guys all over the place.
They probably got people on Indiana.
They got a helicopter coming
You hear it?
and a battleship.
Yeah, they're launching it on the St. Joe.
You have to take like the propane tank from the grill and throw it out and then shoot it.
Yeah. Yeah. See, he stole that boat over there, and they're trying to get him for it.
It's been sitting there for 20 years.
Yeah.
Got a stolen tarp on it. Stolen tarp. You do all this shit and the guy ain't home.
Well, you got to be patient. You don't want to panic. You don't want
Never seen a pickup truck like that unmarked. What are those people? Social workers.
social workers. Oh God. No, psychiatrists.
So like here we're just minding our own business. Dude.
Yeah, CPO.
Look, they're still wearing their masks.
Yeah, yeah. They might get the virus. You know, the other cops ain't got no masks on. What the hell? They ain't worried about no mask. Look at all them guys over there.
There's a couple guys.
They don't want a
I
mask.
think when you got a fucking assault rifle in your hand,
Yeah.
you're probably not too worried about
Yeah.
masks.
Yeah.
Shit, I gotta call again.
Uh-huh.
Well, that guy up there by the fence, does he have his gun?
The dog's gone. They went in the back.
Yeah, I think the party's over,
I think
man.
the guy's not
when,
home.
When
Hey,
you're just wandering
The
around like
guy's
this
not
fucking
home.
guy.
He left.
Yeah, it's
I
over.
seen him leave earlier.
Oh, did you? Jesus, go tell him.
He left.
What was he driving?
He was driving a red convertible.